And here it is, Planet Smog. And I have enough bolts for this. Thing is that I need about 40,000 bolts now. Going first to this section. This weapon is almost leveling up, so I'm going to go with it first. I need to get many bolts right now, so I'm going to try to get as many as I can. Hello there. How many more enemies will I need to level it up? Suppose it's open now? Yes, it is. Leveled up, awesome. Now we can charge up to 4 missiles. And now time to edit my quick select. I'm going to take this out, put this. Because I'm going to try to level up this weapon now. Though it won't be that easy, because this weapon has low ammo, only 15 shots. Wait, there's still some boxes here. I'm going to get these boxes here. I still don't have the box breaker, the crate breaker or whatever. Maybe I should get it, but for that we need to face a secret boss. Oh, I missed those there. Oh well, I'm not going to return back. Oh crap, this wasn't the place I wanted to come first. I don't know if I have enough bolts for the guy. Damn it. I think it was 40,000. Or is it 60,000? Oh my god, I don't remember. Either way, I don't have enough bolts.
Go ahead. You'd be doing me a favor. Sure.
Oh, sorry. It's just, I thought you were one of them.
Dear, dear, what I'd give for even an ounce of their feral ignorance.
A burden often accompanies self-awareness, sir.
Living with the abject savagery of one's own kith and kin is quite more than one can bear sometimes. No, the torment of it all.
I understand. I, too, am of a series designed to destroy.
Oh, in that case, I have something that may interest you. But may I first humbly request a meager few bolts for food?
Let's hope that the next section will net me enough bolts. If it doesn't, then I'm screwed. I don't want to return back to this planet later. Probably I'll be able. Yeah, I think I will. This weapon's upgrade is simply amazing. That's one of the reasons I love the plasma coil. Yeah, if I have enough bolts, no. I'm going to return to that place after I complete this section. Damn it. There's a platinum bolt up there. I don't know if I'll be getting it though. What? No, I won't be getting the bolt. Glitches. Long time no see, Infiltrator. I mean... not really. Oh damn it. Why did I press the circle? I saw that one coming and I pressed circle even though... Okay. Cutscene time.
Incoming! Get down! What the?
Hello,
Ratchet and Clank.
you lucky devils!
Angela Cross.
Has just sent you a galactic greeting!
Guys, if you get this message, please meet me on my home world. Just so you know, I found my old ID badge. I'm pretty sure we can still use it to infiltrate Megacorp HQ, but you're gonna have to hurry. Before the Protopets completely overrun us! Oh, and sorry for the balloonogram. It was the only thing I could get off this
We hope you enjoyed your galactic greeting!
That Angela is quite resourceful.
Yeah, she thinks of everything, doesn't she?
She also appears to be in great danger.
Yeah, she'll manage herself. Now it's time to collect pieces from the Hypnomatic. Damn it. Oh, failed. I'm going to die. You have nothing on me. Damn it. Okay. I'm using no more ammo. See, that's the problem of the plasma coil. Its ammo runs off and runs out too fast. But it compensates on its lethal power of destruction. And here's an Hypnomatic piece. Pass low.
You found a Hypnomatic part. You need all of the parts to make the Hypnomatic gadget.
The first time I played this game, I kinda got stuck in this part because I didn't know that we needed to collect all the Hypnomatic parts. And it took me a shit ton of time to understand that, because I was young. And yeah, I didn't know many of these things. Time to go talk to that other guy. I'm going to fall.
Lovely long time since I've eaten.
This is Ratchet reporting live from Algon City, where Protopet Mania is in full swing. For those who've spent the past week in hypersleep, the Protopet is Megacorp's wildly popular bioengineered pet. Adorable, non-allergenic, and housebroken, fans of the creature have dubbed it the perfect companion. Between the Protopet's surprisingly low price tag and its lightning-fast breeding cycle, there may soon be more than enough Protopets for everyone. Darla Gratch, Channel 64 News.
Oh.
The entire population of that planet will be devoured.
Unless we get there in time.
See, if this was Ratchet from the first game, he would say like, I don't care, let him die. But I'm going first to Damozel, because if I don't, I'll need to be running away from a site to another. This way I can get the piece. Here.